Hey guys, Alexeja here, and today we're going to be working on Officer D.Va. I have my Officer D.Va shirt right here. I got this shirt from JcPennys and it was only an extra large, so I had to sew it to a small medium size. I have my patches here. I will leave them in the description below where I got them. I have her name badge and both side patches, or the front and side patch. So I have my iron heating up. We're going to take the shirt off the mannequin and I'm going to iron these on. And then I will show you guys what the Officer D.Va shirt looks like with all the patches on. So let's get started.
Okay, so first we're going to start with the patches. I heated up my iron to the cotton poly blend. I got all three of the patches. I just show you guys what they are, what they look like, and then we're going to attach them to the shirt. I got a clipboard and just clipped the shirt in place to hold it, and then put my patches in place, held my iron on for like a minute or so. I took it off so it wouldn't burn the clothes, but I just did it a few times. That way it would make the patch sit in place and it wouldn't be fraying up on the edges. Next I began with the shoulder pieces. I just found some scrap fabric in my fabric box. It's just some blue fabric that it's left over from Lucy Heartfilia. I cut it into small squares. I had to cut it a few times, make it the right size. I cut it, hemmed it, and then put it on the shoulders so that we would have that nice extra blue shoulder piece. And then I used some button stars and then hand sewed each button star into the shoulder piece so it would give her the ranking on her shoulder.
Okay guys, so here's the completed Officer D.Va. I have her hat, which finally came in the mail. I ordered this around my sister's birthday, which is in March. It is now the end of May, so I'm happy it's here, but I thought it would never show up. I had to email them 50 billion times to be able to get it, but I got it, so I'm happy. But I'll talk more about the hat later. But we got the hat. We got the gloves. I got her some handcuffs, which I just got those from Walmart, just in the like kids toy section. I have the shoulder pieces. I just got some blue fabric, hemmed the edges, and then sewed some star buttons on there. We have our tie, which I got from JcPennys. I got the shirt from JcPennys, and I got these patches on Etsy. I will leave the link in the description to where you can get them if you would like them yourself. This company they make really good patches. If you have any cosplay patches or any custom patches you want, I would suggest going to their page and checking them out. They have really good stuff. So that's the other side. Here's the front, the other side. I'll probably put the camera in a little more so you can see it a little better. But here's the hat. It's a little deformed. I have to put it on a mannequin head to get it a little formed a little better. But watch. It just sits right on top of my head. Yep. Hopefully it'll fit with my wig. I'm hoping once I get all my hair up and I put my wig on and everything, this hat will still fit. Because it just like sits on top of my head like this. So with the wig and everything, I'm wondering if it's even gonna be able to do that much. But we'll see. I'm going to be styling the wig after I post this video. So I'm going to post this video so you guys can see how I made the shirt. And you can make the clothes yourself if you would like to. And then I'll be styling the wig and showing you how I style my D.Va wig. So give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, found it helpful, or enjoyed it at all. But my name is Alexia. I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for any more cosplay, hair related, or any other weird things I do. If you have any suggestions for anything you would like to see me do, please put that in the description below and I will be sure to read it and try it out. So I will see you guys in the next video. My name is Lexi again, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!